Hello, I want to share with you how I remember nitrogen bases, chemical structures, and also their names. So, first, I start with learning by heart, sadly, the structure of purine and pyrimidine. So, purine consists of two rings, one hexagonal in shape, the other pentagonal in shape, and pyrimidine consists of only one ring that is hexagonal in shape. And please note that we have some double bonds in these structures, and also some carbons are substituted. Obviously, it's just a structure, so it wasn't like a chemical substitution reaction. It's just the way of remembering it by nitrogens. And then I construct myself a table with letters that are first letters of each nitrogen base, so A, C, G, U, T, and we have 3 columns, each standing for additional group that is attached to the ring. So amino group, hydroxyl group, and methyl group. And I remember the numbers of carbon that this group attached to. So for A it will be 6, then C 42, G 26, U 24 in one bracket, and T 24 in one bracket, and 5. And then when you try to draw the chemical structure of the base, your job is much easier because you just start with the general structure for purine or pyrimidine, and you construct a table. If you have good memories for numbers, it's definitely easier than remembering each structure separately. And for example, we have adenine, so you just attach NH2 to carbon number 6, and for guanine you attach O double bond to carbon number 6 as well, and NH2 to carbon number 2, and you do the same with cytosine and thymine and uracil. So it's very easy. Just please note that in some cases you break double bonds, and sometimes you need to attach H to nitrogen in the ring. So I recommend always checking after you are finished if your nitrogen binds to 3 other atoms, and if each carbon in your ring binds to 4 other atoms, and you should be fine. So it's also much easier to construct chemical names because obviously put additional groups in alphabetical order, so you can also notice that I put it this amino, hydroxyl, and methyl group in alphabetical order. And the last thing I want to show you is that I also structures over here I colored in green nitrogen where sugar, so ribose or deoxyribose, will attach, so it will be simpler for you to draw entire structure of a nucleic acid. So I hope you enjoy this way of remembering nitrogen bases chemical structures, and hopefully see you again. Bye bye.